Hello everybody, my name's John and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be testing the 124019 on these tyres. We've tested the 144001 and the 124018 and I really wanted to see how much better this one was than the 144001 because it's longer. Is it going to give it more stability? I don't know. We're going to find out together. Let's get on. That's a good start, isn't it? welcome back to the blue mat. Like I did on the 144001 video, I wanted to bring you back to the blue mat so I can talk nice and quietly out of all of that wind. Do I recommend these tyres on this car? Booyah! Hell yeah! Did you see how stable it was compared to the 144001? My God, it was brilliant, and I had a lot of fun recording that. To the point that after I'd finished getting all my footage together, I actually put another battery in and blasted for another full battery, which I usually don't have time for or usually don't make time for, but now I did just to have some pure enjoyment. And what a lot of fun it is, especially at the highest speeds with this car. Unlike the 144, as you know, this one being slightly longer is a lot stable at speeds, while with these tyres on over rough ground, you saw it just wanted to glide over the top like it was flying. It's like a little hovercraft it was, ooh, until it hit those big rocks, and then it flew like any other RC car would. It works incredibly well on this car. Well worth the price, in my opinion. Obviously, it's the same chassis as what's on the 124018, so that may be the reason why, you know, it performs so well. But this is a sort of a standard suspension. If I can get my S's out today. I was going to go for shocks, but I went for suspension. That was a bit weird. And, you know, you saw the video. You've seen the footage like me. It just performs very well. What I was even more surprised with was with the 144001. Did you see, if you've seen the video, if you haven't, go over and see it, but these wheels were a bit when I was driving. These ones seem to handle it, even though it is essentially exactly the same setup as on this one, it just seemed to handle it better. I do not know why. Maybe it's because this one's newer and this one's a little bit more worn in. But without a shadow of a doubt, booyah, buy them. They are absolutely fantastic, and they are going to be my tyres I leave on this car right now, just for pure fun. So that says it all, doesn't it, really? Now, why I've got you here, 3 videos ago, depending on when I'm uploading this video, I installed this mod onto both of these cars, and I have to say it has handled it all incredibly well. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll link in the description below. I suggest that you buy it because it's done a lot to stop that wheel wobble that both of the cars suffer from. This one, again, not so bad because it's a little bit newer, but that one, it solved a lot of problems. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. What a fantastic little mod to change the characteristics of the car. I really want to take this somewhere where I can jump it with these tyres on now. Just, I mean, like, not out of a 5th floor hotel window, but, you know, skate park or something, see what I can get to. And that's it. That's all I have to say about these. Buy them. You have to buy them. If you don't buy them, well, then there's something wrong with you, because they are well worth the money. And of course, it helps that you can move them over to your other cars if you've got other cars as well. So if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel as well, and hit that little notification bell so that you get alerted of future videos. And I wish you all a magnificent day today. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.